Integrity Supply presents Wholesale Construction Supplies, How to Prepare for Your Painting Project. By selecting the proper wholesale construction supplies, you can feasibly finish painting a room in one day, including preparing the surface. The preparation part of the project can be the most time-consuming. Typical tasks in a paint project include patching, priming, painting, and cleanup. Contractors must be able to prepare a job in quick order to make money. The longer a job takes, the less you'll typically make. Wholesale construction supplies can make the job go smoother and easier. However, you must do quality work to preserve a good reputation and promote word-of-mouth business. You don't want a client calling you back to fix a repair you did that didn't hold up. If you're just painting a single room, you'll want to try and finish the job in one day. However, if your painting job is more extensive, you won't need to take some of the time-saving measures noted in this article. For example, you can let your repairs dry overnight rather than dry them manually. Selecting the right wholesale construction supplies for surface repair. Regardless of how long you expect to be on a painting job, you need to make sure you have the right wholesale construction supplies on hand. The following list provides some suggestions for the types of materials you'll most likely need to properly prepare a painting surface. Patching compounds. First, you'll need your patching materials. These can range from quick-setting and regular drywall compounds to shrink-free spackle. Next, you need to make sure you have the right taping products. Good choices are self-adhesive mesh tapes. Using a regular hairdryer can speed up the drying process. It helps to begin with the most intensive repairs and then move to the easier repairs such as nail holes. Depending on the level of repair needed, i.e. how deep and difficult cracks are, you may need to make several passes around the room. Surface repairs should be done in layers, and each layer should be allowed to dry before applying another. Once the drywall repairs have been filled using a compound, you need to apply a light layer of spackle. The spackle must be dry before moving on to the sanding phase. Sanding materials. Properly applied drywall compound and spackle will streamline the amount of sanding you need to do. Wholesale construction supplies offer a wide variety of sanding materials. You can get packages in various sizes, abrasions, and materials. Abrasives can be made for use by hand or with a sanding machine. In addition, sanding materials can be made of fiber, cloth, or paper. They can come as discs, sheets, or in rolls, depending on how they'll be used. Preparing to paint. With your surface repairs made and sanded, you're ready to begin the painting phase of your project. Again, it's critical to make sure you have purchased the right wholesale construction supplies to finish your project. Assuming you already have your primer and paint, you need to collect the following wholesale construction supplies. Brushes. Depending on the nature of your job, you'll most likely need several brushes. Sash, wall, and specialty brushes can help expedite your project. Rollers. If you have a large area to paint, such as interior walls, you should use a roller. The roller consists of a frame and a cover. The size of the frame and nap of the cover will depend on the painting surface. Sprayers. Sprayers can help finish a paint job quickly if you're using only one color paint and you have a large area to cover. Masking tapes. Several different varieties of masking tapes and films are available to protect surfaces you don't want painted. Self-adhesive tapes are popular choices and work well to eliminate paint seeping into unwanted areas. Drop cloths. Drop cloths help protect floors and furniture from spattered paint. It's better to take time to properly protect surfaces rather than to explain to a homeowner that you had an accident. Safety equipment. Finally, whatever size job you're doing, you need to ensure you're properly protected. Gloves, respirators, masks, goggles, ear protection, and more can keep you safe from harsh chemicals during your work. Fortunately, you can purchase virtually all of your wholesale construction supplies online. Making your repairs, preparing your painting surface, and making sure you have the proper painting and safety tools on hand are important steps to producing a successful project. Although preparation takes time, it can save you both time and money in the long run. John Calavecchio is president of Integrity Supply Incorporated, a wholesale distributor of high-quality painting and related sundries from leading United States manufacturers. For more information about wholesale construction supplies, visit us online at integritysupply.com today.